Meet Ask Your HVAC Pro, your 24/7 HVAC expert. Built for homeowners, contractors, builders, and architects. Select your role to get answers tailored to you. Set your location and choose your response style, from quick answers to full technical breakdowns. Get proactive alerts, filter reminders, seasonal tips, code changes, and refrigerant regulations. Stay current with industry updates, building codes, manufacturer bulletins, all in one place. Save your equipment details once, and every answer is personalized to your exact system. Homeowners get real help fast. Ask a question, answer a quick follow-up, and get clear steps you can actually try. Pros get pro-level answers, like a step-by-step diagnostic checklist for troubleshooting a comfort complaint. Type your question or just talk. Voice makes it even faster. Ask your first HVAC question today.